Hi there.
Hi there.
Hello.
Hi, this is Jan de Smet.
Hey, it's Sabia.
Hi there.
Hi everyone, how you all doing?
Greetings from Los Angeles.
Greetings, I'm David Gibson,
Dear Techno Exponent.
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 Techno Exponent. Congratulations on 11 years of business.
And quite a few of the team members there for far out. I think it's been like 3+ years, something around that now.
Created Codify LLC, and we knew we needed a strong partner. That's where Techno Exponent came in. And congratulations on 11 years.
Bravo to all.
You guys are doing great, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. So, and looking forward to working with you all. Take care. Bye-bye.